engineered to professional precision, bringing down the barrier between industrial and consumer-grade printers. Photon P1, plug-and-play perfection. Engineering-grade resin system handles viscosities up to 8,000 CPS, boosting printing capacity for resins by 40 times. The temperature-controlled resin vat maintains the resin at the optimal state, ensuring ideal viscosity and success rates. Dual color and material simultaneous printing. Simultaneous printing with multi-viscosity resins saves resin and reduces overall print time. Single-side resin vat printing cuts down initial resin usage for smaller models. Adapts to your needs. Near industrial craftsmanship. Industrial-grade ball screw and precision linear rails. Exceptional motion stability. Precision machined steel build plate for reliable performance. Rigorous installation techniques achieve micron-level accuracy. Light Turbo 4 light system. Every light beam is stable, precise, and uniform. The wave release technology ensures smooth build plate lifting and stable printing. Six major upgrades. Flawless print quality consistency. Over 1,000 print cycles. 0.03 millimeters. Minimal feature. Print with intelligence. The system runs intelligent calibrations before each print. Auto-leveling self-check maintains. Precise leveling at all times. Intelligent dynamic adjustment function finds the optimal balance between speed and precision. Intelligent AI detection. 7 user-friendly innovations deliver a more intuitive operation. And a streamlined maintenance process, ultimately simplifying the creative process. Maker Online, with hundreds of thousands of free models, enables easier creations with intelligent support customizations. Anycubic Photon P1 redefines consumer-grade 3D printers with near-industrial craftsmanship, becoming your ultimate tool for a professional home workshop.